Today we have a video from EWU Body Cam, and the title of the video is 130 mile per hour police chase ends in total destruction.
Out of the vehicle! What's going on? I got dog. Hands behind your back. Sit. Put your feet in. Oh, he just stole the patrol car.
Officers in Colorado are completely blindsided after a brazen suspect flips the script on a routine arrest, triggering a lethal high-speed pursuit that would lead to unfathomable destruction.
What the hell is all this? Oh!
The following report is based on official police records. In the late morning hours on June 20th, 2023, the Colorado State Patrol answers an alarming call about a reckless driver who was firing a gun at other motorists and crashing into vehicles, prompting officers to put an end to a potentially deadly rampage.
Get set up with stop sticks between Lahunta and Conley Lane.
Pit maneuver, hold traffic.
TVI successful. Hands! Get your hands up! Hands up! Don't move! Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle! What's going on? I got you. Who?
Get out on the ground.
I don't know what the is going on.
They never know what's going
Last
on.
thing is we TVI. Okay. All right. Over here. Lift up. Okay. What's going on? Okay. Sit. Put your feet in.
After the successful pit maneuver, the suspect, 31-year-old Anthony Alfonso Sanchez III, sits semi-quietly in the back of the patrol car.
For up to 30 years. They also offer 5-year adjustable rate mortgages that can be amortized for up to...
Beverage container right there. The firearm was right there.
It was loaded and chambered.
Officers linger nearby, unaware that Anthony, bound by handcuffs, is seconds away from making a desperate move.
Sheriff 210-4, I copy. Serial number, returning Cuervo, no record.
That's the only reason I got involved.
In dollar?
Crash on road 5. Road 5.
Oh. He just stole the patrol car.
214, which patrol car?
2 Charlie 3.
How the hell you do that? I get how he, undid the cuffs. I understand that part. But how did he climb in the front? Isn't there a divider? How did he? That's wild.
Patrol car?
2 Charlie 3's car. 723.
Car eastbound 50. It'll be a Charger. Need a spike strip and a big down.
How did you get that open?
I have no idea.
See?
Sure, two suspect.
That's what I'm saying.
DSP patrol car is eastbound high rate of speed on 50.
Anthony is on the run, flying in a marked patrol car at speeds of up to 130 miles per hour. Several officers join the nail-biting pursuit, but Anthony successfully avoids their attempts to halt his last-ditch escape.
There's 3 PD officers in front of me. I have 2 Charlie 3 on board. He's gonna get wrecked.
He's got about a half a tank.
He had stop sticks set out east of town. Correction, west of Los Animas. I do not have visual on it. Actually, I do. It's probably passing the 385. 385 lights activated. High rate of speed. I only have a quarter tank of gas.
Did he put him in the front seat?
I don't know. I just asked him to secure him, and then next thing I know, the car's free.
Because he's got a cage, I'm pretty sure.
I don't know.
I don't either, for sure.
We still got westbound traffic stopped and sticks set up.
Officers wait in suspense for Anthony to cross the highway in hopes to stop him at the height of his spree. As for the captain, the pursuit of her suspect comes to a sudden halt.
Yeah, I'm completely out of gas at the 412. We got a couple more sets of stop sticks set up between here and Lamar, but he's avoiding.
This is the first time I've ever seen that, and I've always wondered that with police chase. Either the cop or the suspect. What happens when you run out of gas? You can't just drive forever. Damn. This is the first time I ever seen that. She got to stop pursuit because she's out of gas. But, there's other people, though.
every single set.
I'm gonna move my car. I need you to not move as soon as I move my car.
Got it.
And don't let anybody else move either, okay? We got a pursuit coming through about 130 miles an hour in a stolen cop car. Hey, when I move my car, nobody can move, okay? Stay on the shoulder, as far off the road as you can get. In your truck! Get in your truck! They're coming this lane!
As officers stop traffic, drivers with dash cams capture Anthony's shocking arrival.
Okay, what the hell is all this? Oh! Oh my God!
Good stick, good stick. Accident, 1050, 1050.
The patrol car stolen by Anthony is demolished, leaving...
He's done. He's done. He's done. No way he survives this. No way he survives this. He hit the corner, like the corner of the, at that rate of speed. No way. No way. He gotta be finished on impact. On impact. You're done. You're done. Look at this shit. Wow.
Good stick, good stick. Accident, 1050, 1050.
Look, he hit
The patrol car stolen by Anthony is demolished, leaving officers in fear that there may be a casualty. They call the crash in as a Frank, meaning there's little belief that Anthony could have survived the deadly impact turned fiery wreck.
We hit him at the 416. He hit the side of a semi. Probably about 130. And he flipped the semi.
Everybody with an extinguisher!
I gotcha.
Get your extinguisher!
Officers work to contain the flames until rescue arrives. Miraculously, and to their surprise, Anthony is still alive, but in horrific condition.
Pull her out! He's good, he's clear!
You need the extinguisher?
Extinguisher!
No way. He's still alive?
Mark got one. We need one.
Grab his legs. I need my bags. There.
Take him on the other side of the street. Give my bags, please!
Hey, can we have someone in here since he's cuffed?
Yep.
Can I get that off his finger to get fingerprints?
Absolutely.
He's gonna stay here till flight lands.
I think we ought to roll. They can meet us at the freaking hospital just as fast. And then we can get a higher level of care on him. So I'm not comfortable with the way he's acting.
Anthony is taken to the hospital to be treated for his injuries. According to police records, he admits to taking cocaine and a handful of pills today. Officers alert the captain that all bystanders, as well as Anthony, survived the unthinkable.
Oh man, that thing is, I'm surprised that guy's not dead.
Well, I'm glad he's not, so.
Yeah, who's your poor trooper that this happened to?
Scott Poynton.
Oh, don't know him. Okay.
He's-
I was just curious. I was curious if it was somebody I was going to be able to get to, but I won't since I don't know him.
Yeah, hold on. I'm recording, but Professional Standards is on their way down, and they're going to want to sit in on any interviews when they get here.
According to the Colorado Bureau of Investigation's records, the patrol car stolen by Anthony was equipped with a window partition. In an interview with one patrol officer, the partition was left open due to the hot weather, enduring the transport of another suspect earlier that day. Ultimately, 31-year-old Anthony Alfonso Sanchez III died at the hospital. His time of death was clocked at 2:31 p.m., roughly 3 hours after he was able to steal the patrol car. According to the Colorado Bureau of Investigation's records, Anthony had left a note inside his vehicle. It read, "I'm sorry, I love you, it's all over now. I saw all the signs, maybe one day you'll know. Goodbye." As of June 22, 2023, the incident involving Anthony was closed. According to court records, no criminal charges will be or could be filed against any involved officer. The documents go on to state that, quote, "At any point, Mr. Sanchez could have avoided the accident, yet his decisions to steal the State Patrol vehicle, run from the police, travel at an unsafe and reckless speed, and attempt to avoid the final set of stop sticks led directly to his death."
Damn. You know, we used to, I mean, he did eventually pass, but we used to say in corrections, man, inmates never die. Like, never. Like, they could be stabbed up, you know, because in the prison system, you see a whole bunch of, they really go after each other. Man, you could see some of these inmates in rough shape, man, and they just always survive, you know, 50 stabs and everything. You be like, damn, what the hell? And it's the same thing here. I'm sitting here thinking, when they said he was alive, I'm like, criminals never die, man. They do, like, they are reckless. And it's always like, if a criminal hits somebody, right, in a car accident, it'll be the innocent person that passed away, but the criminal will be alive. Like, you be just like, how the hell this shit ain't right, man. But yeah, he ultimately passed. I thought he would be done on impact, man. The fact that he even got 3 hours extra on his life is just, it's wow, shocking. All I can say is just shocking. This is crazy footage, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.